Welcome to Achieve Your Dreams TV. We're thrilled to have you here on this journey of self-discovery and empowerment. We understand that being overlooked by someone can be an uncomfortable experience, and it might even sting a little more if you care deeply for that individual. But fret not, because in this video, we're going to guide you through a process that will help you regain your confidence, take charge of your emotions, and even turn the tables around on those who may have sidelined you. Let's dive into some actionable steps that can help you on this path. Step 1. Embrace your worth. Feeling ignored can be tough, but it doesn't define your value. Remember, your self-worth is not determined by someone else's actions. It's time to prioritize yourself and put your needs first. You deserve love and respect just as much as anyone else. Step 2. Rediscover your joy. Rather than obsessively checking your phone for messages, let's redirect that energy towards activities that bring you joy. Engage in hobbies, explore new interests, and relish the moments that make you happy. Sharing your newfound happiness with the world will subtly communicate your strength and contentment. Step 3. Nurture connections. Spend quality time with the people who truly matter, your close friends and family. These are the individuals who will stand by you no matter what. Strengthen these relationships and create memories that add value to your life. Step 4. Assert your boundaries. Your time and energy are valuable, and it's important to communicate that. Instead of passively accepting being ignored, express your boundaries in a respectful manner. Let others know that you prioritize healthy communication and mutual respect in any relationship. Step 5. Cultivate confidence. Confidence is magnetic. By focusing on your own growth and self-assurance, you'll naturally attract positive attention. Embrace your uniqueness and continue evolving into the best version of yourself. This newfound confidence will not only make you more appealing, but also inspire admiration from others. Step 6. Embrace new beginnings. Life is a journey filled with opportunities to connect with amazing people. Don't limit yourself to old relationships. Embrace new connections, whether they're friendships, romantic interests, or communities that share your passions. Your world is vast, and there are countless possibilities waiting for you. Step 7. Value yourself above all. At the end of the day, your happiness and well-being should be your top priority. Remember that your worth isn't determined by whether someone regrets ignoring you. You hold the power to create a fulfilling and meaningful life, regardless of others' actions. Thank you so much for joining us on this transformational journey. If you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Feel free to leave a comment below, sharing your thoughts or any experiences you'd like to discuss. We truly appreciate your engagement and look forward to connecting with you. Remember, you have the potential to achieve your dreams and live a life that's true to you.